Today we have Loctite 243. This is one of the most commonly used products on the race car. It's a product which we're using every day and it's crucial to the success of our team. Loctite 243 is a medium strength product which is ensuring that all of our nuts and bolts are remaining in place on the car.
Loctite 243 is a medium strength anaerobic thread locking. That means anaerobic, it's curing under absence of oxygen and in addition with metal ions. It secures and saves all threaded fasteners against loosening from vibrations and shocks. It's sealing the thread that no water can trap into the thread and prevents in this way corrosion. It's usable for all threads that needs to be loose or replaced or taken off by normal tools.
As Martin and James explained before, we use Loctite 243 in many areas and on many parts of the car to secure small bolts like that on a part like a steering wheel or to secure some connectors in the car. We use that product to keep that bolts tight and secure it from getting loose in any situation we have in a race.